Hello guys, welcome to TechGrowthStocks channel. Today I'm going to bring you a new episode of TechGrowthStocks daily strategy, and first of all I want to talk a little bit about the Nasdaq 100 recent performances and how it's trending. And in the second part I will give you the newest stock of the TechGrowthStocks daily strategy, and finally I will give you the TechGrowthStocks strategy performance over 1 month since the start of my new channel. And so let's start right off with the Nasdaq 100. So as you can see, it's been in a strong uptrend over the last year. I mean, it had a decline this year with the corona pandemic, but it came over this decline quite strongly, and over 1 year it had a very strong performance of nearly 50%. So recently, since end of August, the Nasdaq has been trading downward at first, and then it consolidated, and now it built a small handle, and as of yesterday it broke out of this small handle here, of this tight small handle. So this is quite positive. So we could see further gains in the Nasdaq ahead, which would be positive for our TechGrowthStocks daily strategy. So that's it for the Nasdaq. It's looking good. So I come to the second part. It's a new stock in the TechGrowthStocks daily strategy. The first stock is NFLX, Netflix, as you might know it. It's a strong stock. It has an excellent EPS growth of 133%, a sales growth of 26%, and a relative strength of 91. It's a communication services company, and it's profiting heavily from the corona pandemic. The second stock is AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. It has excellent EPS growth of 816%, a sales growth of 33%, and a relative strength of 96. It's a technology semiconductors company, and it had a very strong performance over the last year of 180%. The next stock is Square, SQ. It's a strong stock. It has excellent EPS growth of 108%, a sales growth of 53%, and a relative strength of 96. It's a technologies software company, and it had a year-to-date performance of 200%, which is excellent. So the next stock is West Pharmaceutical Services, WST. It has a strong EPS growth of 36%, a sales growth of 11%, and a relative strength of 92. It's a healthcare medical devices company, and it had a strong performance of nearly 100% year to date. The final stock is ETSY, Etsy. It has a very strong EPS growth of 191%, a sales growth of 85%, and a relative strength of 94. It's an internet retail company, and it had strong performances of over 200% year to date. So guys, these are the stocks, the newest stocks of my strategy, and go check them out if they are interesting to you. And so now this is for the newest stocks of the strategy. Now I won't come to the performance of the strategy over the last month since the start of my new channel, how the portfolio performed, and so let's have a look at that. So guys, now let's look at the portfolio performance, or the strategy's performance. Here you can see the performance, and now I will go quickly on analysis for comparing it to the Nasdaq. So as you can see, the strategy performed since the 11th of September. It had a performance of 13.37%, and the Nasdaq had a performance of 5.76%. So more or less the strategy is up about like over 7%. It has an outperformance over 7% over the Nasdaq 100. So yeah, this has been a quite good start for the strategy. And yeah, here you can see the portfolio, the allocation, and yeah, let's have a look at the portfolio overall. Yeah, here you see the current tickers. These are the new tickers, as I told you, as of the strategy as of today. The same I told you before. And yeah, and also here you can look under trades. Under trades you can see all the trades I made, and there you can see, for instance, if you go back to older trades, you would see the stocks which I have recommended on 11th of September for this strategy, and I bought them on the 11th of September, and yesterday on the 9th of October I rebalanced the portfolio exactly 4 weeks later. So on the 11th of September, for instance, I bought Nvidia, Adobe, Netflix, and Zoom Video, and yeah, and the last stock was Viva Systems. I bought these on the 11th of September, and yesterday I sold, for instance, Adobe, Zoom Video Communications, and I sold Viva Systems, and yeah, Viva Systems, and these are the stocks, and you can see here the performance of the stocks which I have sold. For instance, Nvidia had 9.7%, Viva Systems 9.4%, Zoom Video Communications 26.2%, and Adobe had 2.7%. And as well, you can see the stocks which I bought into the new strategy. So only one stock stayed the same. This is NFLX, Netflix, and the new stocks which I bought you can see here. The first is AMD, the second is Square, the third is, for instance, the third is Etsy, ETSY, and the last is West Pharmaceutical Services. These are the new stocks which I had, which are currently in my strategy. So guys, yeah, the strategy performed nicely, but as of course, the strategy is not without risk. And I will post the link of that portfolio, of that strategies portfolio, into the description, so you can have a look for yourself for the strategy. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Please check the link out if you like it, if you want to have a look at the portfolio, and also please subscribe to my channel. This would help me very much, so that you do not miss a future video of the TechGrowthStocks daily strategy. And please leave your comments in the comment section below, so I will try to reply to all the comments, and I also will make videos about things which you would like to see. So guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.